Chris, anything to say, mate? Hello. Nice speech. Didn't mess up your words or anything. It's great.
Didn't mess up my words.
Pretty good.
That is great. Oh, don't leave me hanging.
Oh no.
I thought you held out your hand for that, but you gave thumbs up.
That's embarrassing. You got that. There you go.
Yeah, I was going to open the video now. Morning, guys. We've made it to Plymouth. It's our first day. Breakfast time. Then got to go for some training at the pool. Hi, big man.
Hello, good morning to you all.
Let's get some light on, eh?
Yeah, man, we need some
Yes, bro.
We need the lighting.
You're saying, big boy.
I'm pretty chill.
How are we doing in Plymouth, mate? It's breakfast time.
Mate, it's breakfast time. Get a coffee down.
This is law. Got the bacon. What have for breakfast, mate?
Oh, mate. Cure up on it. Fly. That's nice. Healthy, nutritious. You don't wash out every day.
Morning, Chris. Last session in Leeds was on Monday. Just did my list for my competition, so let's cut to that.
Led blind through the promised land. No plan on stopping now. I'm flooding through the city, all up in the metropolitan. Grab the handy, polish it on some flat wallet shit. But my vibe deliver life, no gynecologist.
Basically, now the goal is to transfer what I've been doing in Leeds, basically on 3 metre, and transfer it to the new boards here in Plymouth, because the boards are obviously different. And it's a different whole environment in Plymouth. The pool's a bit darker compared to Leeds, and a little bit more difficult to dive in, but we'll see how my first session goes.
Led blind through the promised land. No plan on stopping now. I'm flooding through the city, all up in the metropolitan. Grab the handy, polish it on some flat wallet shit. But my vibe deliver life, no gynecologist. I don't know what time it is, I'm running on fumes. Knee deep in the biz, I'm trying to be a tycoon. Need proof, check my disco. Growing like pintos, plotting on plays while you scrolling through your Visco. Me and all my kinfolk want it real bad, so me and all my kinfolk gon' get it real fast. If I'm ever falling short, please don't ever feel bad. By the time you even notice, I'll be bouncing right back. Now I'm diamond dancing, what a time to be alive. Stuck on top the fence, y'all gon' have to pick a side. Heard the water here is vicious, but f it, I'ma dive. I done learned from my mistakes, and that's a blessing in disguise. You hold me down, but soon I will rise. I left your opinions aside. Their motive is fame, and they're slaves to their pride. Chasing power will lead you blind. Led blind through a tunnel when I saw no lights. I don't do much spinning, I don't ride no ice. Stay woke, next thing you know they got your rights. Feed the anger to the people trying to plot more fights. But not me, I see your propaganda. Y'all talk a lot of slander, take shots upon us, but I don't mean y'all just buy the camera. I'm trying to rock a phantom, I just don't got the cash. Sound like the rap sultana, shout out to Lady Tash. Take your dreams, turn them into real things. Put that script down, make your life a movie. Real scenes, real mean. They gon' act when you out there with real means. Real deep, I just feel it and manifest it with ease. Now I'm diamond dancing, what a time to be alive. Stuck on top the fence, y'all gon' have to pick a side. Heard the water here is vicious, but f it, I'ma dive. I done learned from my mistakes, and that's a blessing in disguise.
I did get some good dives actually. I got a spicy in with 3.5.
Oh yeah, I've seen you with 3.5.
But I also did some very, very bad reverse 3.5s. Right, those are some of my highlights from the day. Day one is done. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but you can kind of see how dark Plymouth is compared to Leeds. And that's a whole other challenge because the awareness, it's like you see different things in the air, so kind of getting used to that. I did some really good dives, like my inward was very good. Front twist was alright. Back was good. Reverse struggled a little bit, but that's fine. I need to get used to the board a little bit more, but yeah, can't complain. Today's Wednesday, we got a team meal tonight, Thursday tomorrow, another full day training, then on Friday 1 metre starts, and I don't know how many people in 1 metre, but it's probably kind of busy and it's not going to be easy, so I have to dive well. And my plan is to kind of do a behind the scenes vlog of my whole 1 metre competition, because I kind of did that last year. I did like a day in the life video, but I want to do a more behind the scenes video, which should be quite interesting. Should give you a bit more of an insight to what we get up to in comp. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so pre-competition training is all done now. It's amazing how you can kind of go from feeling really good and positive one day and feel the complete opposite the other day. But that's kind of what I've gone through today. Sessions haven't been... Get away from me. Leave me alone. Sessions haven't been that great today, but it can... Everything can... Oh, you're all blurry because of the... Because you wet on my camera this year. You wet on my camera, where are you going? Yeah, tomorrow's another day and hopefully I'll wake up feeling a little bit better tomorrow before 1 metre. Everything I've done is okay and positive, just not as good as I wanted to be, so that's the only frustration. And I'm a bit sore, a bit tired, but time to get a good night's sleep tonight, come back tomorrow morning and hit 1 metre and see how we do. Peace out, 1 minute time, let's go.
I left your opinion